Did you know that a single bolt of lightning can be 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? Sounds shocking, right? But how does this natural marvel actually work? Let's break it down. Lightning begins far above us in the sky, inside thunderclouds, which are essentially giant factories for static electricity. Thunderclouds are filled with water droplets, ice crystals, and air currents moving up and down like a chaotic dance. As these elements collide, they create an electric charge. Think of it like rubbing a balloon against your hair, but on a much larger scale. Over time, these charges separate, with positive charges gathering at the top of the cloud and negative charges pooling at the bottom. This imbalance creates an electric field strong enough to pull electrons from the ground, igniting a zigzag path of electric current, a lightning bolt. Still with me? There's more. The flash you see lasts only about a quarter of a second, but don't blink or you'll miss it. Here's a wild fact. Lightning doesn't just strike the ground. It can shoot up from the ground to the cloud too, called positive lightning. And get this, each strike helps keep our planet electrically balanced. Oh, and remember that thunder? It's just the air around the bolt exploding from intense heat. Fascinating, isn't it? So next time you see a lightning storm, you'll appreciate that it's not just nature's light show, but an electrifying masterpiece crafted by physics itself. Nature, you're amazing.